Here are some guidelines that Ferrari owners could consider. Regular maintenance. Ferrari cars are high-performance machines that require regular maintenance to keep them running at their best. It is essential to follow the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule and take the car to an authorized Ferrari service center for any repairs or maintenance. Responsible driving. Ferrari cars are designed for speed and performance, but that doesn't mean you should push the car to its limits on public roads. It is important to drive responsibly and obey traffic laws to ensure your safety and the safety of others on the road. Respect the brand. Ferrari is an iconic brand that is recognized worldwide. As a Ferrari owner, it is important to respect the brand and its legacy by being a responsible and respectful ambassador for the brand. Keep it clean. Ferrari cars are known for their stunning designs, and keeping the car clean is essential to maintain its beauty. Regular washing and detailing are necessary to keep the car looking its best. Join a Ferrari club. Ferrari owners can join local Ferrari clubs, which offer a community of like-minded individuals who share a passion for the brand. These clubs provide opportunities for social events, track days, and other activities that can enhance the Ferrari ownership experience. Follow local laws and regulations. Ferrari owners must follow local laws and regulations related to car ownership and driving. This includes obtaining the necessary licenses and permits, paying taxes and fees, and adhering to traffic laws. In summary, owning a Ferrari comes with great responsibility. Ferrari owners must take care of their cars, respect the brand, drive responsibly, and follow local laws and regulations. By doing so, Ferrari owners can ensure that they get the most out of their ownership experience and maintain the value of their vehicles. Ferrari rules. Use high-quality fuel and oil. Ferrari engines are designed to perform at their best with high-quality fuel and oil. Using low-quality fuel or oil can damage the engine and decrease the car's performance. Store the car properly. Ferrari cars are often stored for long periods, especially during the winter months. Proper storage is crucial to ensure that the car is protected from the elements and remains in good condition. Ferrari owners should consider storing the car in a temperature-controlled environment and using a car cover to protect the paint. Invest in quality tires. The tires are one of the most critical components of a Ferrari's performance. Investing in high-quality tires that are specifically designed for the car can enhance its handling and performance. Be mindful of modifications. Modifying a Ferrari can be tempting, but it can also decrease the car's value and performance. Ferrari owners should be mindful of any modifications and consider the impact they may have on the car's performance and value. Follow break-in procedures. When a new Ferrari is purchased, there is a break-in period during which the car's engine and components must be properly broken in. Ferrari owners should follow the manufacturer's recommended break-in procedures to ensure that the car is properly broken in and ready for high-performance driving. Drive the car regularly. Ferrari cars are designed to be driven, and regular driving can help keep the car's components functioning properly. Ferrari owners should try to drive their cars regularly, even if it's just for short trips, to keep the engine and components properly lubricated and functioning as intended. In summary, owning a Ferrari requires responsible ownership and attention to detail. Ferrari owners should use high-quality fuel and oil, store the car properly, invest in quality tires, be mindful of modifications, follow break-in procedures, and drive the car regularly. By following these guidelines, Ferrari owners can ensure that they get the most out of their ownership experience and maintain their vehicle's value.